Question is speaking here, an angle is one third of its supplementary angle. Find its measure. We know already supplementary angle, that supplementary angles are those two angles whose sum is 180 degree. So if this is my one angle, right, one angle, then this is my supplement angle of this angle. Suppose if it is x, then this is y, then x is called the supplement of y, or y is called supplement of x. In our condition, what is giving that our given angle is one third of its supplement, alright, of its supplement. Then what is the value of angle? Alright, so that we need to find out. Suppose if this is x, our angle is x degree, then our supplement will be, then that angle is actually one third of its supplement. So supplement is always 180 minus x degree, because if this is my x degree, then this must be 180 minus x, because this complete angle is 180 degree. Complete angle is 180 degree, right? Here this complete angle is 180 degree, and one angle is x degree, so its supplement must be 180 minus x. And the question was giving something like this: x degree is our angle, that is one third of its supplement. So what is the value of that angle? So let's solve this now. 3 times x, you will get 3x degree equals to now 180 degree minus x degree. So this minus will go in left hand side, so you'll get 3x degree plus x degree equals to 180 degree, and you'll get 4x degree, you'll get 180 degree. I'm dividing 4 by this side also and this side also. 4 on 4 cancel, and 2s are and 90s are, 1s are and 45. So what you'll get, x degree equals to 45 degrees. So what we get, that 45 degree is one third of its supplement angle. Alright, if you check it is or not, let's check it up. 45 degree equals to one third of 180 minus 45. Alright, so this is one third, and 180 minus 45, that is 135, and this is 3 4s are 12 and 115, 3 5s are 15. Yes, it is 45 degree equals to 45 degree. So hence it is verified. Alright, so what we can say, that 45 degree is the one third of its supplement angle.